Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about this sponsored product from Delta. This is a Nicoli series and single handle pull down kitchen faucet. This is absolutely gorgeous piece. You can see it is dark black matte color, which is unique. You can see it is like fingerprint resistant. It doesn't show fingerprints. That is really cool feature. You have this pull down feature and it has magnet here. Once you are done, it will just go and click on this uh, on its place without any difficulty, and it will stay in its place until you just pull it out. So once you pull this out, you can see here you have nice rubber pieces here, and it is easy to just clean. You can just clean it with your finger in case it's just get some build up here, and you can just change the settings, just push a button. Really cool. And over here you have really nice handle. It is really easy to operate, very easy, smooth operation. And the top part, it can just rotate 360, so that is another cool feature. And I just really want to show you guys the best part with the Delta product. They come with the hose already uh, attached to the unit. You don't have to worry about buying and just separate the hose like with the correct size. So that is really good feature. Is everything is attached already, which makes the installation process super easy. And the hose has marking here. This one with the label, you will see that this is for the hot water, so you can just easily identify and connect it. So once you connect everything, this has quick connector for the pull down. You gotta plug it in here. Once you plug it in here, don't think that you are just done. So that is very important. You place this blue piece on top of this. It just goes just like this, and you will hear a click noise. Make sure you hear the click. It has to sit in its place so that it doesn't if you forget, you will have really big problem. So this will just come out with the pressure and flood everywhere. So you gotta use this blue part uh, while you are installing. And another important part, you have this circle o-ring rubber piece which will go underneath here, so that you will have leak proof installation. And this uh, weight goes on the hose here so that it can pull the head. Once you are done, this will help to just push it down in its place. And as I mentioned, if you have 3 hole, and you you can just use this to cover the existing holes, to just use the single hole with this. And it is matching color. You can see it just matches identical color. So if you are using the single one, you would just use this and just secure it on its place. So overall, really nice, good quality. I really like the way it looks. It's really elegant looking, very unique. I hope you guys will like it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.